pencils down for me. I am going to model how I want you to do the organizational patterns. Guys, remember we rule, we read all the answer choices, the question and everything. How does the author organize paragraph 3? By listing important events of how the Pony Express operated, by contrasting the Pony Express process to the telegraph processing system, by describing how the telegraph had to be connected so that people could use it, by explaining how the telegraph used codes to protect people's privacy. Now, author organized paragraph 3 by listing the important events of how the Pony Express operated, by contrasting differences, describing how, connected, and explaining how the telegraph was used. Guys, first thing I'm going to do is to look at my notes. Well, that's what Ms. Brown told us to do, to always use your gist statement notes and put that, what you wrote here, improvements to the telegraph. Improvements made to the telegraph. Okay. Now, when I look at paragraph 3, it says listing important events of how the Pony Express operated. It did tell me about the Pony Express, but it told me that it was the end of the Pony Express. End of Pony Express. Okay. By contrasting the Pony Express process to the telegraph processing, it did tell me the difference in that the telegraph went from place to place, and the operators replaced the riders. Operators replaced the riders. Okay. And it told me that they listened to the signal and all of that. All right, describing how the telegraph had to be connected so people could use it. Guys, it says replace, they had a code message across wires. But I don't know if they describing how the telegraph had to be connected. It told me connected how it was used. By how the telegraph used code to protect people's privacy. I don't think it protected people's privacy. It told how they were used, not protecting privacy. Because at least 2 people were involved. All right. So using what Ms. Brown has taught me, I'm like, no, it wasn't protecting their privacy because it took a person to send the message and a person to decode the message. Uh, it wasn't about describing how the telegraph had to be connected to use, contrasting the differences. I think B is my answer because it did tell me the differences of how. All right. Now, guys, as always, I need you to think about what you heard me say. Think about what you saw me do. I want you to think about it first, and then I want you to write it out. Okay? And then I want you to commit to something that you're going to use. Thank you.